Here's how buying a property through an online auction actually works. First, I find the property I like online. Next, I give Prime Property Auctions a call to request the legal pack. I then do my own due diligence and review the legal pack. Once received, I follow the link in the email to the Prime Property Auctions website. I now submit my offer through the website. After that, the team at Prime call the seller and give them my offer. If the offer is accepted, the team at Prime give me a call and give me the good news. Next, the team at Prime send me an invoice for 10% of the purchase price as a deposit plus the auction fee. Now I pay the deposit on the spot to secure the property. Remember, the property is not secured until the deposit is paid and the seller can consider other offers. Once the deposit is paid, Prime send me an email asking for proof of ID and proof of address, and I upload all of the required documents. 28 days later, I pay the rest of the funds to my solicitor, who then pays the seller to complete their transaction. I now own the property. And there we go. It's as simple as that.